Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to USDC update today, Terra USD. And what's going on, what's happening? We're still going down and down as expected in previous videos. That yes, you do have this move up and you broke below it, so basically you're looking for a target down to 0.036 and probably even come down and take some few stop losses that are placed at 0.03. Now this will still be healthy if you come down, hold this level, and then try to pump back up very quickly. I do expect that maybe, just maybe, you might be looking at a consolidation down here and then finally try to push back up just a little bit. And we can use Fibbs. So let's check the fib and try to see where exactly you're trying to retrace to. Now there are some few things known as a golden ratio. Now at least for now you are probably holding the 0.5, isn't it? So you're kind of holding this as your support at 0.5, but I personally believe that, you know what, 0.618 and maybe this one right here can be a target, maybe just a potential candidate of a target. If you do come down and lose 0.03779, then that's where you're looking for 0.786, but it's all about losing the 0.5. At least for now, this is what I noticed, that, you know, on the fibs we are holding the 0.5 quite well. So if you do end up pumping from here, that wouldn't be a surprise to me. And you do have a little bit of support going on in here. Just noticed here, and I'm going to keep it super simple for you right now. So zooming out, do you notice that you have some few resistance here, resistance right there, you broke above it and it's probably coming down, and you can see that that very same place is being held as support. And another thing is that the 0.5 is also another support. So there are two very positive things about this price action right now. So this was your resistance, it's turning into support, very, very clear. And also you have a 0.5 right there. Now the catch is that if you end up breaking below here, basically that means you fail to hold it as support and you're failing to hold 0.5 as support, and that's where we may actually see finally a move down to that box that I'm talking about. So at least for now, before we even talk about coming down here, the question is, are you going to hold this? Because you do have some chances of pushing back if you're going to be pushing back, no guarantees. So that's it for this USDC update, just a quick one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.